Sir, unless we produce a tax bill which is simple, which can be administered efficiently and effectively, I am afraid we are only creating more complications and opening avenues of corruption stop. I am sorry to say our legislations are always drafted in a manner which will give discretionary power to some people. Stop. I can submit a general argument that every discretionary power vested with any government official is always used in favor of the influential, and the rich poor man will not be able to reach that official stop. So there should be a law which gives minimum discretion to officials. Stop. Professor Aldor himself says that the three prime considerations that should be taken into account in framing an effective tax system are equity, economic effects, and administrative efficiency. Stop. But our present taxation system is neither equitable nor administratively efficient, and the economic effects are disastrous for all to see. Stop. My humble submission is that even at this stage, the direct taxes amendment bill should be kept in abeyance, and a select committee should be formed by a motion from the finance minister himself. Stop. Nothing would be lost. I can assure you. Stop. There is no hurry. Stop. Only people in a hurry will be those in the department who want to push it in a hurry because of various provisions in the bill about which I need not say anything. Stop. My humble request is that if we want to rationalize the tax system, the direct amendment bill needs to be redrafted. Stop. Sir, on the corporation tax, we had great hopes that the tax will be more effectively collected. Stop. But what do we find now? Sign of interrogation. There are ad hoc and arbitrary deletions, disallowances, and additions by the income tax authorities. Stop. You promised a simple tax bill in the long term fiscal policy. Now we had a bill which is not simple. Stop. Para again. We are told now that this bill will be amended. Stop. We find that arbitrary disallowances in corporation tax will only lead to more tax evasion and nothing else. Stop. Business will go on as it is. Stop. Business has gone on as usual in this country for the last 50 years. Stop. If the aim of the government is to bring about more morality, better tax returns, and simpler collection of tax, this is not the way to do it. Stop. What we need is a realistic look to whole gamut of company taxation in our country.